Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out that new RV garage home listing. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. We're gonna go check it out. It's in a great residential estates area. Hang out with us and check it out, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, we're out here at 2435 Souchak Drive. Great residential estates area. In fact, we tried to buy a house on this street back in the foreclosure days and didn't get it. It's right behind Jamaica, close to the golf course, has underground utilities. What else? I think it has natural gas as well. Let's go and check it out. So it's got the nice paver driveway, block wall on the property line, tons of side parking. It's already pre-wired for mini split AC units in the garage. It's really nicely landscaped, no junk around. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2018, 1,807 square feet. It's got a really nice open floor plan. It's got the ceramic wood plank floors. Nice little dining area. I notice it has the big baseboards and the troweled down walls. Also looks like it's 2x6 exterior construction. Real nice granite counters. Stainless appliances. Looks like it has a built-in microwave, all the upgraded cabinets. It's got the gas stove, of course, you have to have if you're in a gas area. Has the double slider out to the backyard patio area. Cool ceiling fan, all LED can lights except for these. So you have the split floor plan layout. You have the master on one side. This is the master. All can lighting, tall ceilings, good size. It's got a real nice master bath with dual vanities, all granite. Tall doors, nice walk-in shower, all tile and stone work. It's got a big walk-in closet. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So you got your indoor laundry right off the master and garage. Same custom cabinets and granite counters. All right, we have bedroom 2 right off the kitchen. It's got the tall ceilings, ceiling fan. Got your guest bath, hallway bath right behind the kitchen. All granite counters, same cabinets, can lights. Same wood plank flooring. So you have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. Sliding doors to the closet. Let's go check out the garage and the backyard. All right, guys, so this is looks almost to be a 3-car garage opening, but it's just an extra wide 2-car opening. 24.5 feet deep, 38 feet wide. Then you have the RV garage side. It's got a 14-foot door, and it's also 56.5 feet deep, and the 3rd bathroom is in the back there. And it has a roll-up door for access to the backyard. Very clean, very nice. Still smells new. So you got a man door out to the backyard as well, so this could be a potential pool bath. All right, so I'm going out the garage door, out to the back patio, all pavers. Really nice full-length covered patio that's extra wide. It's got ceiling fans, LED can lights. It's all pre-wired. So there was a question whether or not this had enough room for a pool, and there's definitely enough room to put a nice pool back here. It's already stemmed out for gas for a future pool. It's got a block wall all the way around. Super nice, super clean. Of room to put a pool in. Again, pools in Havasu are typically on the smaller side just because of the evaporation rate. The bigger your pool, bigger your water bill is going to be. Hey guys, Havasu Lou back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walkthrough of the house over here on Souchak. Super clean, super nice house, great area. If you guys have any questions about it at all, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm here to help. All my contact information is right below this video, as well as a direct link to the listing detail page where you can get all the original listing pictures and get all the pertinent listing information. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.